She's using a mobile phone. She's typed on it. That's 3-4 typing actions. Phone down in her lap. I see one female, my guess is 50s. PJ67KNY. And of course she wasn't parked. She's wearing a seatbelt. Her brake lights were on when I came up behind her.